What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing the brand new 16-inch M3 Pro powered MacBook Pro. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when a new video goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, this is the M3 16-inch M3 Pro MacBook Pro, which means it comes with a 12-core CPU, an 18-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine, along with 18GB of unified memory and a 512GB SSD. Over in the United States, it starts off at $2,499, but you can custom configure an M3 Pro model up to $4,099. If you're here in the United Kingdom, it'll start off at £2,599, whereas you can custom configure an M3 Pro 16-inch MacBook Pro up to £4,199. But enough about that, let's crack open the box and see what comes included with this MacBook Pro. So turning the box over, we can see that on the rear of the box there is a pull tab on the top and bottom, and pulling these tabs and lifting the lid reveals the MacBook Pro sat atop in typical Apple fashion. And placing the MacBook Pro to a side, we get our first look at what other things come included with the MacBook Pro. So the first item we get here is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and within this you'll find your quick start guide, which gives you a general overview on the layout of the ports, along with pointing out critical software aspects like the dock and the menu bar. You also get further information on your 1-year Apple limited warranty, along with health and safety details and regulatory information. The last items included are your 2 plain black Apple stickers. The next items included with this MacBook Pro make up your 140-watt USB-C power adapter. This power adapter comes in 2 parts, so if you are traveling around the globe, then you can just swap out the plug portion to plug in your MacBook natively to any socket. You could also plug in a power extension cable, so if you wanted to extend the reach of the power cable, then you can. And talking about the power cable, the last thing included with this MacBook Pro is your braided USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. This cable has an approximate length of 2 meters, and as you can see I have chosen the space black MacBook Pro, and so the cable is color matched to the color of the MacBook. And then we have the MacBook Pro itself. So that'll be it for today's video. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the like button, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe, clicking the bell to be notified of when a new video goes live. If you've got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.